I wrote him a detention today, he served it today. And if that meant he had to miss football, too bad. If that meant he didn't have a ride home, too bad.
Wait, what was
Yeah,
detention?
they're student athletes.
That was stopped.
So then,
my
question is, if I miss my ride home due to detention, could I sleep in?
During those games. No, I think she's just saying that.
Yeah, she gave me that.
Would not be my choice, your parents would have
What?
to get
You're
you.
saying that we should.
I was getting nervous. What if I purposely had detention?
Detention has been many different things. When I, you wanna know where it was when I first started?
Yeah.
When I first started,
You hit him
we all the teachers, we rotated detention, so like I had a week of detention. And, you know, she had a week of detention, every teacher had a
Right,
week of
sentences.
detention, we just rotated through. And so when I had detention, they had to copy the trig tables, which is that book full of all that stuff. When I went after school, they sat there for an hour, I copied the
Attention
trig
for standing on the
tables.
toilet paper.
Some teachers made them right, I will not give any more detentions, like 100 times or something. But it was
Wait,
It turned into a shooting drill. I'm like, dude, if he sees my kid, I'm dead. So it's still
it was just, and I never like had
all
chairs
guys
like
don't worry.
that.
Me and Kyle Kyle was literally using the bathroom.
I wasn't there, but remember you guys told me you guys all pooped in the
Anyway,
snow?
so yeah, that's the thing I was.
Oh, dumb. So
All right,
no, it's funny.
practice
It's funny. No, I was the
test.
janitor.
Practice test, we have to do number 7. All right. Please focus.
Hey!
We need to finish this before lunch. When to find the interest rate required to grow, 1, 2, 3, 4, into 2, 3, 4, 5, in 10 years, if interest is compounded quarterly. So which formula are we going to use? Not the perk, right? The other ones.
Maybe.
So we're
No,
going to use
no,
one that
it's
says
like 2, 3.
A equals P, 1 plus R. All right, now we're starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, and ending with 2, 3, 4, 5. Compounded quarterly for 10 years, 4 times 10. Would everyone agree with this setup? Now, be careful. Am I going to need logarithms? No, because the only time I need logarithms is when this is my x. Okay? So what's gonna be the first step? Divide. Always start by dividing by that number. Now what? Think about this for a second.
You're gonna solve
Well, yeah, I'm gonna solve it. What do I do to solve it? Oh, I heard somebody say it.
Is this a new problem?
Huh?
Did we do this? What is R over 4? That's not in the problem.
It's an old one.
Because
What are you talking about?
Because quarterly.
He doesn't
Number
know the
7.
formula.
Quarterly is 4.
We
It's
literally-
4. Quarterly.
No, it's not. It's not. It's
Quarterly means 4. Quarters. 4 quarters and a whole.
Pay attention.
What is he looking at?
He's asking why it's the 4s
I thought
and
it
the
was
R.
It is really good factor.
It's number 7.
This is practice test.
Alright.
Number.
He's asking where number 4, the 4 is coming from. I'm telling you it's quarterly.
It's a 0.18 over 12 instead of R.
I don't.
Dirty
know. Wake up and smell the coffee. Is this? Interest is compounded quarterly.
Oh, that's number 6.
That's number 6.
Oh.
That's 6.
Smell the coffee.
Yeah.
Smell the coffee.
Smell the coffee. Still the warmth.
Somebody said square root. That's exactly what we want to do. Only it's not a square root, it's a.
Okay.
Because the 40th root will cancel that out. Jimmy, you paying attention?
Always.
So we're gonna end up over here with just 1 plus r over 4, because we 40th rooted. And then over here, we're gonna have whatever the 40th root is of this number, okay? Now, before we go to the calculator, think about, your job is to solve for r. So we're gonna get this number, and I'm gonna help you do that if you forgot how. We'll get this number, then we're gonna need to subtract 1 and multiply by 4. So, to get that number, I am gonna, in my math menu, I'm gonna use this button. Now, you guys with the new calculators, when you press that button, so math, scroll down to this. When you press that button, it literally invites you to plug in the numbers that you need. So you'll put in 40 and you'll put in that fraction. I can't do that because it doesn't do that for me. So if you have an old calculator like me, you have to press 40 because that's the root you're taking. Then you press that button, same button, and then you type in whatever you have under the root. So you are either, depending on your calculator, just gonna straight out press the button, fill in boxes, or you're gonna press 40, the button, and that fraction. Either way, you should get, hang on a minute.
Wait, so you got 0.0.
1.016,
That's what I got.
okay? So this number, boys and girls, this number is 1.016. Now, subtract 1 from it, so minus 1 equals, and then times it by 4, and you get 0.0647, which is 6.47%. What interest rate is required? An interest rate of 6.47. So you want to practice that. If you're all unsure, you want to practice that. Okay, problem number 9. Before we start, let's expand this, let's break this apart. What does that radical mean? That radical means 7x to the 1/2. And exponents come out in front. Everybody still with me so far? And then those are being multiplied. So when I pull them apart, it will be the log of 7 plus the log of x. Now I put the 1/2 parentheses. You can do 1/2 distributed if you wanted. Now, look at the rest of the problem. This guy right here is 0.123. It tells me in the problem. What is the log base x of x? 1, just 1. The log base x of x is 1. So that's my answer. 1.123 divided by 2. 0.5615. So the key to doing that problem is to break this down. Break this down as far as you can, and then plug in whatever numbers they give you.
That's just their delay treatment.
Yeah.
This would-
Yeah.
You just don't do that.
You don't need it. Okay, number 10. We did it yesterday. Number 10.
We did it.
I thought we did.
We did it.
Yeah, we did right at the end of the period.
Oh,
We were probably all packed up and heading out.
Oh, wait, no, we did 11.
No. We just didn't write it out for you. I got detention.
All right. Hey, we're supposed to go to lunch. This is a 4-part problem. We gotta get going. Okay?
What are we doing, Sam?
So this gives me the number of ants at T hours. All right? Look at that equation. Isn't that like a logistic type equation? What is the maximum population of ants? 600. Because wouldn't your top asymptote be at 600? So 600, easy. How many ants are present initially?
Plug in 0 for T.
Plug in 0 for T. So if we plug in 0 for T, we're gonna get 600 over 1 plus E squared?
Yep.
Well, I can do that on my calculator. 600
31.52.
divided by 1 plus second ln squared. I got about 72. It's 71.52. I don't want to have decimal ants, so I'm going to say about 72. Everybody okay? How do we find the initial value? We plug in 0. How many ants are present after 3 hours? Now we just plug in 3. So 600 over 1 plus e to the negative first. So 600, oops, 600 divided by 1 plus second ln. Did you get 439 approximately?
Yeah.
And finally,
Oh, that thing.
when will there be 507 ants?
Set equal to 506.
So you say equal to 507. So 507 plus 507 e to the 2 minus t equals 600.
Subtract 507.
So 507 e to the 2 minus t equals 93. No. What do I have to do first?
Divide by
Divide.
5.
You gotta divide.
Oh.
Boys and girls don't.
Come on, Eli.
If you LN here, you will not get the right answer. You gotta get rid of the 507. Equals 93 over 507. Now LN. So 2 minus t equals ln 93 over 507. So I'm going to subtract 2. And then divide by negative 1.
No, I did.
So as soon as we get this, we're going to lunch. ln 93 divided by 507 minus 2. Did you get 3.696?
Yes.
You're just saying that.
No, I don't show you right here. Yeah, I'm just saying that's not great. There's no need to lie, I'm just kind of hungry.
When you come back from lunch, when you come back from lunch, we'll practice whatever you want to practice on the other review sheets.
So, if you say nothing, it's reasonable.
Lunch is supposed to end at 20. Or 20. No, it's not 21, it's 20. So be back. Yeah, all right. I'm sure they'll kick you out now.
That looks so